In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send data from Slack to Google Sheets and AppSheet. If you're tired of manually copying task updates, client requests, or bug reports from Slack into a spreadsheet, this workflow is a much cleaner solution. The idea is simple. Slack collects the message, Make handles the automation, Google Sheets stores the data, and AppSheet turns that sheet into a usable app interface. Before you begin, make sure you already have a Google Sheet with clear column headers such as message ID, sender, content, and timestamp, along with active Make and AppSheet accounts. First, open your Make dashboard and create a new scenario. On the blank canvas, click the plus icon to add your first module. Search for Slack and select it, then choose Watch Messages as the trigger. This tells Make to listen for new messages from a specific Slack source. Next, create your Slack connection and authorize the workspace you want to use. During setup, choose whether the connection should work as a user or a bot, then select the channel you want to monitor. This is the channel. Make will watch for incoming data. Once the Slack trigger is ready, move to the right side of that module and add another module. Search for Google Sheets and select it. From the list of actions, choose Add a Row. Then create a connection to your Google account so Make can access the spreadsheet stored in Drive. After that, choose the exact spreadsheet file and the specific sheet tab where the data should be written. Now comes the most important part, mapping the fields correctly. Match the sender column in your sheet to the Slack user ID or username value. Match the content column to the Slack message text. Then map the timestamp column to the Slack timestamp field. Careful mapping is what ensures every new Slack message is inserted into the right row structure without confusion later. With the automation pipeline in place, open AppSheet in a new browser tab. Click Create, then choose App, followed by Start with existing data. Give your app a clear name and choose the category that best fits your use case. Next, click Choose Your Data, find the same Google Sheet you connected in Make, and select it. AppSheet will use that sheet as the live data source for your app. After the data loads, go to the Views section in the left side menu. Here, choose how you want the records to appear. A table view is great for structured scanning, while a deck view can feel more visual and mobile friendly. Save the app to build it. Finally, return to your Make scenario and turn the scenario switch on. From this point forward, any new message posted in that Slack channel will automatically be added to Google Sheets and displayed inside your AppSheet app. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.